Good morning, children. Yes, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Today, let us read the poem August Afternoon. August means it's a month, children. You see, this month, this month is January. Here, January, it's not January now. This is August Afternoon. This poem is about August Afternoon. Afternoon, you can see the sunshine. It will be very hot. We cannot come outside also. Here, let us read the poem. Where shall we go? What shall we play? The poet is asking, the poet is telling, where shall we go? What shall we play? What shall we do? On a summer day. See, the poet is writing that it is very hot. It is very hot in the afternoon. We cannot go anywhere outside. We cannot play outside in this hot day. In hot outside we cannot play. So, they are questioning, where shall we go? What shall we play? What shall we do on a hot summer day? It is very hot. Where we can go? Where we can play? What we can play? What shall we do? What we have to do now? We cannot play outside because it is too hot. It is too hot. We cannot play on a hot summer day it is. Second stanza. We will sit in a swing, go low, go high, and drink lavender till the grass is dry. Now you can see we will sit in a swing. You can see here the both children are sitting and they are playing in the swing. Go low, go high. Go low, go high. It will be swinging like this. It will be going low. It will be going high. And drink lavender. Drink lavender. Why they are drinking lavender? Because it is very hot. It is a summer day. It is very hot. So, we cannot keep our thirst like that only. Instead of drinking water, they are drinking lavender. Till the grass is dry. Till the grass down you can see the grass here. Till the grass is dry. One straw for you, one straw for me, in the cool green shade of the banyan tree. See what they are telling, both of them, they are talking each other. They are talking each other. What they are doing? Where shall we go? What shall we play? What shall we do? On a hot summer day. Those both was talking what we can do. It is very hot. Where we can go and play? What we can play? Because it is very hot outside. Afterwards, they saw seesaw, swinging, everything they saw in the park. They went there and they are playing there. Both they are playing there. We will sit in a swing. They are sitting in the swing. Go low, go high. Go low, go high. If we go to dam, if we go to different parks, you will be having a swing like this. You can play very happily. You children will be playing, no? Yes or no? If you have a holiday, you go to dam, you go to Sri Ram Park. Anywhere park you go, you can have a swing like this here. Seesaw, swings, and you will be having everything for playing there. Yes or no, children? So, these children came and they are playing in the park. Go low, go high. and drink lemon till the grass is dry, because they are very thirsty. They want the water to drink. So they felt very happy by drinking lemon. Cold drinks they have drank and they felt very happy. They kept the straw, one straw for you, one straw for me, in the cool green shade. See, in the cool green shade means you can see here you have a trees here, banyan tree, big trees you have. Here they are playing, two children are playing on that swing. And in the cool green shade, because they have very, if we have surrounding us the trees, we feel very cool. The climate will be very cold. It won't be hot if the trees are there. Of the banyan tree, you can see here banyan trees are lot here. You can see in the park, everywhere you go, you can see a banyan tree. You can see that, and the banyan tree will be, under the banyan tree you play, you feel very happy. It will be, the climate will be very cool. It won't be hot. Yes, they are two friends. They enjoy like this on the August month in the afternoon section. Now let us read once more. August afternoon. Where shall we go? What shall we play? What shall we do on a hot summer day? Where shall we go? What shall we play? What shall we do on a hot summer day? We will sit in the swing. Go low, go high. Go low, go high. And drink lemon till the grass is dry. You got understood. You understood this now stanza what I have explained here. Hope you all understood this stanza also. Third stanza. One straw for you, one straw for me. One straw for you, one straw for me, on a cool green shade of the banyan tree. Yes, now you have read this and I explained about you all about the August afternoon. You know that children, you children also, your mummy, in summer holidays, you all will go outside, no? Yes or no, children? You all will go for the park. Your mummy will do a juice for you all. You all will drink mango juice, orange juice. If it is summer, you will drink or no? Yes or no, children? Mummy will prepare juice and give you all to drink. Because the summer, we cannot control the summer. Because it will be very hot. With hot, no, your mummy will prepare cold drinks. She will prepare a juice for you all to drink. You can drink juice. You feel very happy. Yes or no, children? Yes. If you go to park, you will take all snacks and go. You will take biscuits, cake, cold drinks, juice, everything. Like that only the poet also has written about these two kids, that in summer what they can do, where they can play, where they will be very happy by playing this. So the poet has written like this. Understood, children? Hope you all understood. Thank you, children.